Okay guys, yeah, this is my potato plant. So look at my potato. Look, this is only more than a month. I don't know. Look, maybe have potato inside. Look, this is a small potato. Look at this. That's my plant. I want to cultivate. This is my potato plant here in Riyadh. That is broken. I want to have a potato. Look, this is small, but so